Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can save your Memoji to your Photos app. First, you're going to want to click on the Memoji sort of tab here and just record yourself. So press this red button, this one. So, hi. And just press stop. So, hi, and just press stop. And I'm going to press the send button right here, the arrow, the blue arrow, and wait for it to send. Has it sent yet? Okay. And if I click on it, I can just, you know what? I can press the share button and go down and press save video. Then it'll be saved to my Photos app. So as you can see, if I go here, it'll be saved to my Photos, and you can upload this to, if you want to upload this on Instagram or wherever you want. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!